On the 3rd of September, I uploaded this video. Now, in the video, I said that I was looking to start shorting euro dollar. It was on my radar to start going towards the downside. Now, I was one of the first people calling this idea, and I had some people saying that I was stupid, some people commenting, putting in their own thoughts. It's unprofitable people that think they know everything, but actually can't turn a dollar into $2 in the market. But I have finally got the fruits of my labor. It's finally paid off. So if we look here, this is my live MyFXBook. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and check it. Make sure, I'm showing you the real thing. It's real. There's no inspect element here. Like I said, you can go and check for yourself. So you can see here we've got almost a 16% gain. We can round it up to 16%. I think we can agree that's fair. And the majority of my returns have come from this month when we've finally seen euro dollar slow down a little bit in terms of the waterfall and give us some more short-term short opportunities. But you can see I've been capitalizing off this idea since that video. Really, the majority of my trades at the moment, I think it's something like 60% of my trades on this portfolio have been on euro dollar shorts. So you can see here, this is my MetaTrader 5 account. So you can see, let me just show you the accounts here at the bottom. You can see this is my Quantech funded account. That's a separate topic, but I've made videos about that. But this is the account I'm showing you. This is the Blueberry Markets Live 02. It's exactly the same as the MyFXBook. It's the same account. So if I just go ahead and show you what's going on here, you can see how many positions I've taken. Now, you may notice that these positions aren't the same as my typical positions that I normally show you with a stop loss, take profit, and an entry price. These are DCA positions, and that's the way I've been approaching euro dollar, basically back since I made that video. Now, the reason I've done this is because it's easier. I was so compelled and so convicted in my short idea. In my view, there was no data to drive euro dollar higher. It was just shorting. That's all I could see in technicals and in the fundamentals. So I didn't really care about the price action. I didn't care if we were selling into a support or buying into resistance. Well, not buying, because I wasn't buying, but you know what I'm saying. I didn't care about the price action, what it was doing. It was more a case of just sell any pullbacks that present themselves. So you can see these are positions I closed yesterday. I'm not in any positions today because it's Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to the American viewers. But you can see this is the approach I've been taking. There was short, 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 short. So I took a loss on this position, but the three other positions here more than covered that loss and gave me a nice profit. You can see again here, short, short, and then again, sell, 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 sell. And even back here, this is when I actually loaded up a bit more heavily on shorts. So again, sell, 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 sell. Had to realize some losses as I was mitigating risk, opening some exposure, reducing some exposure to then get back in at better prices. And that's the way I approach DCA. So I was more than happy to take some small losses to then realize some much larger gains down the road. So you can see how this has been working out very well. Again, realizing a loss, but then more than made up for it by these short positions overall. And then you can see here, these were a bit smaller. These were as I was sort of building the momentum into going into more hardcore shorts, if you will. But the premise is still there. It was all shorting, sell position here, sell positions here, selling here, sold again down here. So you can see how well this strategy has played out for me. Now, this isn't a secret. The thing is, I just don't talk about my DCA very much because it's not something I provide signals on too well. However, as you can see here in the Discord, I do call out when I'm going in for DCA positions. I just don't send specific signals because obviously members use different risk tolerances. They've got different amounts of capital. I don't want to be responsible for them blowing accounts. If it just one position doesn't work out and you've over risked or you've just managed the position wrong, you can blow your account very, very easily. So I don't want to be responsible for that. So I don't send the signal, but again, I'll make them aware. I'll say I'm starting to sell euro dollar now, or, this is my position on euro dollar, whatever it may be. So if you do want to learn more about this and you want to follow some of my trades potentially, again, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you do want to work alongside me, you can join the Discord. We currently have 50% off in the description. Now, this premise hasn't been just on euro dollar alone. It's not been a case of I'm just shorting euro dollar. So if we actually go here on the daily, you can see this is just a bit more proof that I have been selling, as I told you. So this is a daily time frame of all my trade history on. So you can see I took some shorts here. That was slightly the wrong timing overall, but the idea was still pinpoint because I was still calling this short that happened. Now, as the markets developed and as we started seeing the USD get particularly strong, obviously euro dollar idea was more based around a weaker euro and a relatively strong dollar. But we have seen the dollar data really picking up. So what have we been doing? Also shorting New Zealand dollar. So again, short here, shorting here. This one was actually break even. So that one is, just ignore that. But overall the idea was fine if I held it. Again, shorting here, and you can see down here there was some more of a scalping approach, but still making money from shorts. So this period has been so easy. And I've been saying this for months. Since August, I've been telling you, short euro dollar, go long the dollar. This is happening in the markets. I've been telling you, screaming it from the rooftops. And I know some people listened, and if you listened, well done on the money you made. If you didn't listen, then maybe you should start listening. Because to be honest, the time has passed now. I'm kind of over this euro dollar bearishness. I don't really see any recovery factors right now, but I am taking it very cautiously. Now, the reason is, if we look here, this is euro dollar on the daily time frame with a Bollinger Band with a length of 200. And normally when we break out of a Bollinger Band, we see a reversal. Like we did here, we broke out and saw the reversal. We came to the top here, saw a reversal, came to the bottom, saw a reversal. And we have now broken out to the downside. So I'm not saying we're going to have a reversal. I'm just saying that I am very cautious that we might start seeing upside movements before we see a continued move to the downside. If we do see a continuation to the downside, obviously we need to take this data by data. Now, what I want to just clarify about the way I'm trading and what I've shown you, this isn't gambling. I'm not going into these markets clicking sell, hoping to make money. I am gathering macroeconomic information. I am building an idea. I'm saying this market looks like it's going to go to the downside for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. I'm going to start positioning myself into short positions. Some people may just put a swing trade on or a position trade and sell. I normally would have done that, but unfortunately, the way euro dollar developed, there was no way I could get in on my swing strategy. So I had to resort to DCA, and it's worked out amazingly. So guys, that's it for this video. I know it's not been super informative, but I just wanted to show this. I like showing what's going on in my portfolio, what am I doing, what am I thinking. I use this YouTube channel more like it's almost like a journal, or like just a way for me to update you and for me to talk about things out loud, because I don't really have anyone to talk about this with in real life anyway. So guys, have a great day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later, and I hope you got a nice early Christmas gift from the markets like I did, and you can buy some nice things for your loved ones.